We live and work in an exceptional community, but we are facing some complex challenges. And right now, we have many different individual programs that are tackling these challenges.
We had, at least in Weld County, we had agencies that were involved in very, very important work, but maybe didn't work together, didn't understand what each other did very well. So this concept of collective impact was to bring them all together and number one, understand what each agency has to offer the community, and number two, how can we kind of together be creative in overcoming some of the challenges that we face in Weld County.
We're getting kind of out of our silos. We're looking at the areas of concern and the problems that our community is facing and asking all people that work in each area on a day-to-day basis to get around the table, have a conversation, and work together to solve a problem.
We're all streamlined and we're aligned and we have that community-wide measurable goal where we can start working on some of the underlying issues that are causing those, and rather than just serving more people, we can work on actually fixing and solving problems.
While it feels so good to give and give and give and serve more, I think we also have to challenge that and say, but why are we serving more? If we're really doing our jobs, if we're really making an impact in our communities, we should be serving less.
So when you look at statistics and when you look at data and when you look at, where are we lacking, how can we move that needle?
So through our work in collective impact, the board of directors and staff have identified priorities, of which are 4 focus areas: early childhood, youth development, housing stability, and older adults and healthy aging.
Right now, a lot of our focus has been on some education-based goals. We just feel that once you achieve certain, graduation rates, math in 8th grade, those are doorways to greater successes in life.
When people experience, things that jeopardize their housing, it can interfere with education, it can interfere with health, it can interfere with a lot of other programs that the United Way is focused on.
Colorado is one of the top 3 states with the fastest growing aging population. So out of all the other states, Colorado's in the top 3, whether that's people who have been living here for a long time who are aging into that, or people who are moving into our communities.
Look at Weld County's statistic of 3rd grade reading proficiency. Only 37% of our 3rd graders in Weld County are at that level. And so when we look at that, we're able to come around the table and really kind of drive this problem and work at it a little bit deeper.
I think we all have to look out for one another. When you give back to others, you create that sense of connection.
The United Way supports programs that touch human lives in just about every dimension you can imagine.
Maybe people don't quite understand the impact that United Way may have, but they're really just they really act as the glue to the nonprofits and the government agencies that are serving the Weld County community.
So United Way is really good at bringing those people together, bringing the people who are the boots on the ground and are making a difference in the community at the level where people are seeing the difference and bringing them together at the table.
United Way is such a crucial part of our community because it's really our backbone. If you are living in Weld County and you are breathing, what United Way of Weld County is fighting for you. I guess when it really comes down to it, I want people to want to be a part of what we're doing.
When we give, when it's not just money, it's time too, and ideas, when we come together and we give, I think we can see the direct impact of that. Because we see it helping people. We see people, receiving programs that help them overcome obstacles in their lives and help them thrive.
We can't do collective impact alone. We need everyone, and not just those, agencies and partners that are already doing the hard work every day, but we need the community to invest as well, to be a part of it, whether it's giving your time, your treasure, or just coming to meetings and being a part of the conversation. We want and need our community members to be there because these are community-wide challenges.